Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an aquatic animal, what it looks like when you saw it. So this cue card is, the first point is in present, second point is in past, third point is in past, and the last point is again in present, right? You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I like aquatic animals, and I like to learn about aquatic animals. So I like different aquatic animals, like due to their appearance, like dolphin, seahorse, and starfish. But I really like to talk about dolphin due to its unique abilities and appearance. It is large in size and have fins like hands by which it can move easily, and the unique thing is can jump out of the water and can play on her tail. That can get the attraction of the viewers, and it is very friendly in nature. So the main unique part of this animal is the intelligence level. It can communicate with other animals and like humans too. So it is I think best part of this creature or species. So it have the ability to create pictures or drawings. First I saw this animal in dolphin show with my naked eye. There was a lot of fun, and the entertainment part was they show their creativity, like paintings and sounds, sound that they use to communicate with other species. So it's all about it.
All right, so at the end, it's good to conclude your answer. So this is the aquatic animal I saw, and I was really impressed and all that. Overall, it was fine. The word creature is not pronounced as creature, it's creature. And then at one point you said it should have been it has. And then you said they show, when you were talking about when you saw it, it should have been they showed. Only these mistakes, but otherwise you spoke well, 1 minute 40 seconds and all that. Let's go on to speaking part 3. Why do people like to keep pets?
Different people like to keep pets because they think they reduce their stress by playing with pets. I think it's it's maybe possible for them, not other.
Listen, come up with any good reason. Very simple. Why do people why do people like to keep pets? You can just say to overcome their loneliness. Usually when people are alone, they don't have anyone around them, so they prefer to keep. Just pick up one point and elaborate that point. Now I'll ask you again. Why do people like to keep pets?
People like to keep pets because they think they can reduce their stress and loneliness, so they can play with them in their free time. They thought it's the best time to kill. They think this is the best time to kill, to play with pets.
All right. What should we do to protect endangered animals?
Yeah, we should protect the endangered animals by to provide funds to NGOs who can work on them. So it is a collaborating activity by which everyone can in which everyone show their interest by teaching others to keep them protect.
Okay, for part 3, you really need to organize your answer. When I say organize, that means, for example, what should we do to protect endangered animals? First of all, talk about first point. Secondly, and finally, so this is how you can use signposting, then your answer will be better. And you tend to repeat the same type of words and phrases time and again in part 3 out of confusion. You're saying the same thing second time and all that. Try to avoid that also. And when you use signposting, automatically things will be better, right? So part 3 needs a lot of improvement. At present, I'll give you 6.5, although you can get 7, but you should focus part 3 mainly, right? Okay, thank you.